Go.
Watch your brother. Whoa, good job, Dane.
Yeah, good boy.
Now you have to hold it for your brother. Wait till we say go.
Not yet. I said not yet.
Not yet, Evan.
Do it again. Go back.
Not yet. Not yet. Hey, go.
Wow.
Oh,
That was a big kick.
No.
Hey, Evan, hold it for your brother now. Evan?
Hold it.
Evan, hold the ball, Evan.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
Evan, hold the ball.
Evan, please, what are you doing back there? Evan. Evan,
I don't want to.
come over here, please.
I don't want to.
All right, one more time, okay? Evan, one more time. Evan, please, one more time.
Hey, what is it? Mom, Dad.
Okay, this is it, Evan, Dane. This is your big debut.
I only do 3 more.
Okay, 3 more.
Let's just
What are you gonna do, Evan? Okay, hit it right into Daddy. Come on.
Careful.
Hey!
Oh man,
I kick it.
that's it, man.
I kick it.
You guys aren't any fun.
3 more. Okay, I get. What is the top one?
We going out with Lawyer.